important. How much do you think it's going to be good for a pasta mix? You are missing big time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's time for another episode of
Cookin! I'm Sacha. And I'm Heidi. Today we are going to make a pasta bake. First, we need to gather our ingredients.
For our pasta bake,
We decided to put in a couple of vegetables.
we're choosing broccoli
We're choosing pepper.
and a couple tomatoes.
Okay, we've got what we need to chop up. Let's go.
Of course, we need a few other ingredients: pasta, cheese.
Olive oil and some spices of your choice. Alright, so if you watched last episode, you know I need some redemption in the cheese grating department. Oh,
I know.
Great. I just broke the cheese block. So, I'm gonna do that today. Alright, so we got two types of cheese today, cheddar and Parmesan. Pot for pasta. Just fill the pot. Filled about halfway. But it varies depending on how much pasta you're putting in. And then put it on boil.
I am cutting the broccoli. I want kind of smaller pieces for this one. We actually make our own veggie stock with veggie scraps, and we keep it in the freezer. So that's where I'm gonna put my broccoli scraps.
Alright, so while she is still chopping, I'm going to get the other one done. Alright, so while Heidi's chopping the vegetables, I'm going to get some breadcrumbs to put on the top of our pasta. So you can buy breadcrumbs, but when bread becomes stale, and in this house we usually grind it up and make breadcrumbs. That makes a nice crispy topping in the oven. We're gonna get the pasta. This is called a penne noodle. Great for pasta bakes. There's a few other noodles in there, but whatever.
Those are my favorite noodles.
So the water is almost boiled, as you can see. So once it's boiled, we're going to put the pasta in.
Okay, so now that I got my tomatoes into bits, my peppers into cubes, and these into little tiny trees, we're gonna find a dish that is big enough, that's oven safe to fit our pasta bake.
Here we go. Alright, so now we're gonna pour the pasta in. I missed. Last week it was the cheese. This week it's the pasta.
Pro tip is you put this over and it will never over broil. Look, it's not going over. Wooden spoons.
While we're waiting, I'm going to show you a uncooked pasta trick. Oh, my nose. Oh, God. Oh, my neck.
My turn. One.
Oh. So you can do a test. You just grab a solid spoon and grab a noodle. Blow on it to make sure it's cool, obviously. And then you just try it. Not quite ready yet.
Can I have a taste?
5 minutes later.
Put your spoon aside, and now we're going to put it in the strainer once it's cooled down. The handles aren't hot, so you should be able to put it in right away. Woo, it's heavy.
We are ready to mix all of our ingredients together.
Alright, so I'm gonna pour it in.
Okay, so we're gonna do an initial stir, and we're gonna add our spices in just after.
We're going to put our spices and olive oil in. So let's do that. So we're cheating. We're using garlic powder, rosemary from our garden, and basil. Basil.
And some rosemary. Ooh, challenging.
Don't worry, this is not beer. We just store our olive oil in a beer bottle. And we like to put a lot of olive oil. Keeps it moist while it's cooked. It smells delicious and it's not even cooked. So at this point, we're gonna add in some cheese, both varieties.
Okay, so now that we've got all our ingredients mixed in, I'm going to sprinkle some breadcrumbs. Now it's time to put the rest of the cheese on top. Grab a bunch, sprinkle it all over. Satisfying. The best part about when you make dinner is
Your parents have to set the table for you.
Glasses? Yeah.
yeah, glasses.
While we're waiting for this to cook, it's 7 o'clock. Let's go to Bell's. Because, it's coming to cook. Gotta thank our household workers. Alright, it's ready, so we're going to pop it out. Oh, look at this baby. Time for a product shot on the table. Thanks so much for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe,
And hit that notification bell to not miss any of our other Cookin